students, welcome back to online mathematics class. Last class we completed exercise 4. I think you all have completed that homework, I think. Now today we are going to round up the numbers nearest tens, nearest hundreds, nearest thousand. That part last class I explained. One more time I will explain in this class. And next, 4 fundamental operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These 4 fundamental operations one time I will explain. Now all of you open your textbooks. Estimation and rounding of a numbers. See here, already last classes I explained, but one time you observe it. The population of Vijayanagaram district in census in 2011, 23,44,474. To express the population approximately around of a numbers, 23,44,000. Like this, approximately you will say like this way only, and these values will be removed, approximately values. Rules to round off a number to give to a given place. Find the place you are rounding to. Look at the digit to its right. To its right. See here, to its right side. It's a left side, this is the right side. Right side onwards observation. In order to estimate a rounding of a number to the nearest. First one, tens. If the digit at ones place is less than 5, replace the ones digit by 0. Other digit remains same. If the digit at ones place is greater than or equal to 5, increase tens digit by 1 and replace the unit digit by 0. Other digits remains same. Other digits remain same. One sum I explained. See here, 356. This is the sum. One's digit only you will observe. This digit is less than 5 is there. This answer is 350. This digit is more than 5 is there. This answer is 360. Now this digit is more than 5 only or not? That time this nearest value is 360. Like this way, this all explanation meaning is this. You find like this way. And next hundreds also same. When I observe hundreds place, observe the digits at tens place. This is 356. Now this you want to observe to a tens place. Now before one is a ones place. Tens means ones place observing, and hundreds means tens place you want to observe. Observe the digit at tens place. If it is less than 5, then the hundred place remains same. Put the zeros in tens and unit place and units places. If the digit at tens place is greater than 5, then add 1 to hundreds place. Put the 0 in tens and hundreds place. See here, this is called 5. 5 means a medial. 5 means more than only if you want to take. Now this will be take to a answer. Nearest value is a 400. Hundreds means 400 nearest is there. This is a more than 56 means 5 is a more. This is a 400 is answer. Now small rule. When you are observing small rule, if the digit is less than 5, round off the down. If the digit is 5 or greater, round up. Simple logic. Anytime the digit is less than 5, round up the down value will write down. If the digit is 5 or greater, this will be write to a upper value. Simple logic. Already before when you are seeing that time. Now example 8 will be observed means this all logics we will understood. Round up the 5,36,724. This is a number. 5,36,724. This is a number. 5,36,724. To nearest 10, 100 and 1000. First nearest 10 will find out. The tens means which value you want to see? Ones place value you want to see. Ones place what number is there? 4 is there. The digit to the right to tens place 4 is less than 5 rounded to a down. Down value is called what? 20. Down value is a 20. When you are going upper value means a 30. Is a 4 is a less than 5. That's why this is called 5,36,720. Again we are coming to a second one, rounding to the nearest 100. Given the number, already same number 5,36,724. When is a coming to a 100 means tens place value you want to observe. Tens place value 2 less than 5. 2 less than 5. That's why rounding value, these two values will be zeros. The answer is 5,36,700. But this value is 6 is there. That time 5,36,800 we will write. But this value is less than 5. That's why you will write to a 5,36,700. Rounding to the nearest 1000. Rounding to a nearest 1000. This 1000 means 100 place will be observed. 100 place 7 is a greater than. 7 is greater than 5. That time what you want to say? This 1000's place value will be changing. One's place value you are taking means more value writing time. This tens place value will change it. When you are coming to 100 place means tens place value observing, 100 place value will be changed. When you are coming to a thousands place means 100 place value will be observed. In this place value more than 5 is there. That time this 1000 place 6 is there, 7 write down. That answer is called 5,37,000. The nearest 1000 is 5,37,000. In this model 1 or 2 times you observe and check your progress, and this all questions answers you try to find out. If you are anything did not understood this point, before classes I explained clearly on board, that you see and do it. See here 4 fundamental operations, just you observe which. Addition, already you know, everyone have addition. The model is explaining here. Everyone observe this 12th page addition part and try to do homework. Again we are coming to a subtraction part also you know it. Just you observe it and try to find out to a answers. Here some questions are given, these questions also do it. Next multiplication already you know how to multiplying. This multiplication part also you try to do it. This also you complete this full multiplication part. Again we are coming to a division part already here explaining the model. Just you see, this all are we are learning 3rd class onwards. Just you see it and try to learn and do this sums homework. Now when you are coming to a last exercise, unit exercise, this all exercise one time read it. This is a full book models they give. Here Indian system, you write the each of the following in a numeral form, and next which of the following in words both Hindu, Arabic and international system. Some questions are give. Full this 9 questions you read and try to do the homework. This chapter completed. What I gave these questions, try to do it. Already I explained the round up the numbers, nearest tens, nearest hundreds, nearest thousand. The related sums you do it. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, what they gave in textbook, just you observe it and complete it. And next last one unit exercise they give. That exercise is full chapter based on what questions give. Very easy only. One time you read it, nicely do it. Today what I explained you complete the part. Next class onwards new chapter we will start. This chapter full is completed. Stay home, stay safe, have a nice day.